Hello, welcome to the window presentation version series video, and we can call it WPF. And today is the first day I will guide you how to create the first basic WPF example in Visual Studio 2017. Okay, so now let's start it. I will open Visual Studio in the admin mode. Now I will create a project. Here I will select the window data, and I'm assuming you already installed the Visual Studio C# window data on the Windows PC. Here, so here I will select the WPF application in .NET, and I will create a solution name, project name here. I will create project in my WPF demo. Okay, click on OK button. You can change the location of the project. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here the project in WPF has been created, and we have some session. We have shortcode either XAML language, and this one is designer. We can create the component as the control using the XAML or from the toolbox. And we have the backend code in the CS. Okay, so now here I will create a form with the text box and button, and I will allow the user to enter the name, and when I click on the button it will display the name, hello name you enter in the text box into a text block. Okay, so here I will open the toolbox. I will collab is this one. Okay, zoom it. Or you can also press the control and scroll in the mouse. Okay, I will make this one is smaller because I don't need the form is bigger, like this. Okay. On the left hand, I have a toolbox with where we can get some the control to display on the to view in the form, and on the right hand I have the property. Okay, so here I will create a label first. A text box. Look, button. Okay. The drag and drop and then using it. Okay, the label I will change it to, no need to change the name, I will change the content. Enter the name, text box, txt, name. Yeah. So here I will change the appearance for this one. No, it should be the layout. You can do some configuration here, and we have a text section. You can change the font size for this one. Okay. Yeah, and here the text block we have a background, no sense. First ground, yeah, I will change it to the some color here. Okay, cool. So here I have a button in submit, and I have a text box here. This text box will allow the user to enter the name, and when I click on submit button, it will display the welcome message in the display text block in red here. Okay, so here I will open the click on submit button here, and I will change this one to the event handle. I have an event double click on this one to see it is the backend code. Yeah, okay, cool. So now here back to this one and save it first. Back to the backend code. Okay. This take. Okay, so this one is very basically. Okay, save it, and now I will run this. In the Muse's project. Yeah, so here you can see we have a main window. We have a text. I will enter the name here. Click click on submit button here. So here this will display my name is Chen Wu. Okay, I will close this one, and by default after I run the project, and this red text box here should be hidden, and so here how to do it. Okay, cool. Okay, so here you see in the commands section we have a text. I will remove this one. Okay, and now start again. Okay, so here I will enter my name. Here, display in my name. Run again. Yeah, so here it will display the welcome Chen Wu. Okay, cool. I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to create the first WPF example. So see you later, and we will display we will talk about another example in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and see you later.